Hi everyone, this is Josefina from Rapid4Cloud, and in this training video I will explain to you how to use RapidSnapshot. Let's start by installing the software. After downloading RapidSnapshot, you need to install and activate your copy of the software. Let's go ahead and do that. First, install RapidSnapshot on your desktop. Double-click on the downloaded software. You can either take the default installation path or provide another folder. For this training, let's take the default installation path. I'm going to click OK here. And upon completion, RapidSnapshot will issue a message of successful completion. Also, a RapidSnapshot icon will appear on your desktop. So now installation is complete, and I'm going to click OK to the message. And as you can see, the RapidSnapshot icon appears on my desktop. To do that, you need to launch RapidSnapshot by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. So let's double-click on the RapidSnapshot icon. In the next video, we will finalize the installation of RapidSnapshot with the database connection.